ancient techniques that have been taught by
Yeah.
masters, but then explaining them physiologically so you can connect.
Sure.
We're using words and physically. I thought that was really helpful.
It makes a big difference. That 1, 2, 3, 4% extra that you get accumulates, and in the end you get twice the experience, 3 times the experience, which is all yoga practice. It's 99% practice and 1% enjoy the fruits of it.
And you tell us how to breathe. It was really good. I could feel like the tingling here, like in my forehead, and like felt I wanted to like laugh, and it was like very, very, very good experience.
Look at this.
Cucumber, celery, ginger.
A fresh green juice just for me right before sunrise yoga. That's how you get on a teacher's good side.
Definitely, I got more than I expected out of the experience. And so that's about the best you can hope for.
Do I look like I need to pee?
No, you're welcome normal.
It is 25 breaths, and then held my breath for 2 minutes while I walked.
When you're up in here,
That was a tuck sit, yeah. You liked that one?
very helpful.
Hot Yoga East Nashville. It's an amazing place here. Look at that.
It's a good day to have a good day, y'all.
It's a good day to have a good day. So just gonna check out, I guess maybe this is where the workshop happens. There's a fake deer because we're into non-violence here, but we also like, oh, this is a woman's office. This is Hot Yoga of East Nashville. Very cool. Someone who plays soccer all their life is gonna have they're gonna feel Janu Sirsasana differently than someone who works at a desk and cross their legs all day. There's the same muscles, same bones, but different tensions. I just like talking. And I practice talking. I do voice training and I study linguistics and like how words go together to affect your neurology.
It was a great class. I really enjoyed it.
This is really how anatomy should be taught.
I felt everything that we did. He explained everything perfectly. It really connected with me, and I've tried other stretches and hip mobility things, but never focused on moving the joints and with the bones rather than just moving the muscles around.
Yeah.
So I really enjoyed it. Thank you.